Welcome to ArcOfLife AI. We are here to guide you through smart contracts and, most importantly, protect you from dangerous scams in the arbitrage space. Today, we are exposing a massive trap: influencers who tell you to simply copy and paste their code to make passive income. Stop right there. That code is likely designed to steal your funds. We will show you exactly how to read between the lines and expose these thieves before it is too late. These scams look professional because they use tools like Remixite, making you feel like a real developer. They promise thousands in profit with zero effort. But remember, if you don't understand the code, you are the liquidity, not the trader. We are going to dissect this script line by line. We will reveal the hidden functions that drain your wallet the moment you click start. Let's look at the evidence they didn't expect you to find. Listen to their pitch. They throw around complex words like slippage, front-running, and mempool. These are real technical terms used by advanced developers, but in this context, they are just bait. They use this jargon to overwhelm you. They want you to think, wow, this person knows what they are doing, I should trust them. It is a psychological trick to make you feel like you are getting secret insider knowledge, but it is all smoke and mirrors. Why do they use Remix? Because it is the official, trusted tool for Ethereum developers. By directing you to a legitimate website like remix.ethereum.org, they bypass your natural skepticism. You think, well, the website is safe, so the code must be safe too. That is dangerous logic. Remix is just a text editor. It will run whatever you type into it, even if that code is designed to empty your bank account. The tool is neutral, the intent is malicious. Now watch the copy-paste ritual. They tell you to create a new file and paste this massive block of text. They rush through this part. They never explain the logic or the functions. They treat the code like a magic spell. Just say these words, and gold will appear. This is the red flag. In crypto, if you don't verify the code yourself, you are gambling, not investing. Never run a script that you haven't audited line by line. Let's look closer at the code before we scroll down. See these variables at the top. You see legitimate addresses for Uniswap router or SushiSwap. These are decoys. They are placed there specifically so that if you glance at the code, you see familiar names. It makes the contract look functional, but here is the secret. Those variables are never actually used in the trading logic. They are just decorations on a trapdoor, and we are about to open that door. Here is the moment of truth. We took the scammer's original code and added comments to show you what is actually happening behind the scenes. Look closely at line 68. We explicitly labeled the trap. In reality, this is where the victim's funds are sent. The original scam hides this, but we want you to see it clearly. This variable isn't a trading router. It is the destination where your money vanishes. Look at the variable named payout address. It is defined as private to hide it from the main interface. That long string of random characters, that is not a trading router. That is the scammer's personal wallet. Every function in this script is hard-coded to funnel money specifically to this address. There is no artificial intelligence here, just a direct pipeline from your wallet to their pocket. Now, we are moving to the compiler. Remember this, a compiler checks for grammar, not crime. A smart contract can be perfectly written, error-free, and still be a malicious theft device. As we click compile, do not be fooled by the green checkmarks. The system is just confirming that the code is readable, not that it is safe. In fact, if you look closely, the system is about to warn us. We clicked compile. Do you see those orange warnings appearing on the left? Most people ignore them or think they are just minor glitches. But look closely. The compiler is literally trying to save you. It is warning that the code uses an old transfer function. But more importantly, look at the code snippet it highlights inside that box. It is exposing the weapon they will use to rob you. Read the line inside the warning, _payout address .transfer address, this closing parenthesis .balance. Let me translate that for you. It means, take all the money currently in this contract and send it immediately to the scammer's private wallet. The green checkmark you see just means the code has no spelling errors. It doesn't mean it's safe, it just confirms that the trap is built correctly and is ready to fire. Now that the trap is set, They need you to step into it, move to the Deploy tab. The scam video tells you to select Injected Provider, a MetaMask, as your environment. This is the critical moment. You are no longer in a simulation. By doing this, you are bridging their malicious code directly to your real bank account. You are giving the scammer a direct line to your funds. This demonstration is strictly for educational purposes. We expose this code to protect you, not to encourage usage. Never deploy contracts you cannot read. ArcOfLife AI is here to secure your journey in Web3. For our official tools, community links, and in-depth reports, verify everything in the description below. Don't trust, verify, stay educated, stay safe.